SEO can be a chore, especially if you're just starting out. But if you've already dived into the digital marketing pool, you know its importance. That's why today, we're about to take a journey that's guaranteed to enhance your website's traffic and earnings. Good SEO practices can be the difference between a small hidden gem and a global sensation. If you're just starting out and have no idea where to start, this one is for you. And if you're already a seasoned SEO expert, stick around. You might learn a thing or two. So get ready for a big haul, because we're about to unearth a goldmine of SEO strategies. Let's dive right in. The importance of SEO. So you have a fantastic product or service to offer, but your website is shrouded in obscurity, buried deep in the wilderness. Nobody can find it, no matter how great it is. That's where SEO comes into play. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the art of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs. It's the compass that guides internet users to your digital doorstep. But why is it so essential? Better visibility. When your website ranks higher on search engines like Google, it becomes a lot more visible to potential customers. Think of it as being on the main street of a bustling city rather than a remote alley. Credibility. High search engine rankings are often associated with credibility and trustworthiness. Most people tend to trust websites that appear on the first page of search results more than those on subsequent pages. Increased traffic. Improved visibility leads to higher organic traffic. More visitors mean more opportunities to convert them into loyal customers or clients. It's cost-effective. Compared to traditional advertising, SEO is cheaper and delivers long-term results. You're not paying for ad space, you're investing in the long-term sustainability of your website. Now that you understand the value of SEO, it's time to roll up your sleeves and explore some practical strategies that will drive your website to new heights. But before we dig into the techniques that will supercharge your SEO efforts, let's set some expectations. SEO is not a quick fix, it's a long-term plan. While you won't notice the results overnight, the eventual payout is worth the patience and effort. That said, these easy-to-implement tactics have been tried, tested, and proven to make a major impact on your SEO efforts. Let's get started. SEO tips and tricks. 1. Keyword research, the foundation of SEO. Keywords are the building blocks of SEO. Think of them as the GPS that guides both users and search engines to your content.
Cut, Dwight. It said go to the right.
It can't mean that. There's a lake there.
I think it knows where it is going.
This is the
The
lake.
machine
This
knows.
is the lake.
Stop yelling at me.
No, it's
Stop
up
yelling.
there. There's no road here.
Here's how to make the most of them. Intense research. Start by conducting in-depth keyword research. Get to know what your target audience is searching for and identify relevant keywords. Long-tail keywords. Don't overlook long-tail keywords. These are longer and more specific phrases that can attract highly relevant traffic. For instance, best hiking boots for beginners is a long-tail keyword. Natural integration. Once you have your keywords, integrate them naturally into your content. Avoid keyword stuffing, as it can hurt your rankings. 2. Building quality backlinks. Backlinks are essentially endorsements from other websites, and they play a critical part in SEO. However, quality matters more than quantity. Natural backlinks. Focus on earning natural backlinks by providing excellent content that others want to link to. Guest blogging. Writing guest posts for popular websites in your field might help you get high-quality backlinks. Some platforms that offer individuals and businesses the chance to be featured in renowned publications are Harrow, Quoted, and Turkel. 3. On-page SEO. On-page SEO is a crucial aspect of search engine optimization because it involves optimizing the individual pages of your website. These optimizations not only enhance the user experience but also send powerful signals to search engines, highlighting the relevance and quality of your content. Here's a more detailed look at the key elements of on-page SEO. Title tags. Title tags are the first impression your page makes in search engine results. They are the clickable headlines that users see when searching for information. Crafting compelling and descriptive title tags is a critical component of on-page SEO. To capture the attention of both search engines and users, include your target keywords in the title tag. For instance, if your page is about healthy smoothie recipes, ensure those keywords are in the title tag. However, don't stuff it with keywords. Make it sound natural and engaging. The title tag should give a clear and concise summary of what the page is about. Users should instantly understand the value of clicking on your link. Each page on your website should have a unique title tag. This helps avoid confusion and ensures that search engines index your pages accurately. Meta descriptions. While meta descriptions don't directly impact rankings, they play a vital role in enticing users to click through to your website. A well-crafted meta description can significantly increase the click-through rate from search engine results. Make sure that the meta description aligns with the content on the page. Misleading descriptions can lead to high bounce rates, which can negatively impact your rankings. While there's no strict character limit for meta descriptions, it's better to keep them concise and under 160 characters. This ensures that the entire description is visible in search results. Header tags. Header tags, H1, H2, H3, and so on, are like signposts within your content. They help users navigate and understand the structure of your page. From an SEO perspective, they provide valuable information to search engines about the hierarchy and importance of content. Only incorporate your target keywords into header tags when it makes sense. Your priority should always be readability and user experience. Header tags should enhance content organization and they shouldn't feel forced. 4. Improving user experience. UX. User experience isn't just a buzzword, it's a critical component of SEO and overall online success. Google places a high emphasis on delivering the best possible results to its users, which includes highlighting websites that offer an excellent user experience. Google now operates on a mobile-first indexing system, meaning it primarily uses the mobile version of your website for ranking and indexing. Make sure your website is responsive, meaning it adapts seamlessly to different screen sizes and devices. A responsive design is a fundamental aspect of mobile friendliness. Mobile users are often on the go, and they expect websites to load quickly on their devices. Some things you can do to improve mobile loading speeds are compressing images, minimizing scripts, and using efficient coding practices. Your site's mobile user interface should be as smooth as possible. Are buttons and links easily tappable? Is the font size legible without zooming in? A smooth mobile experience reduces bounce rates and increases user engagement. A clean and organized page layout not only improves the user experience but also contributes to better SEO. Your website's navigation should be intuitive and straightforward. Use headings, bullet points, and short paragraphs to break up content. This makes it easier for users to scan and digest information. Proper formatting also signals to search engines the importance of specific content sections. Cluttered pages with excessive ads or pop-ups can lead to a poor user experience.
I'm Michael Jordan. Stop it. Get some help.
Try and strike a balance between monetization and providing a clean, distraction-free environment for your visitors. By focusing on mobile optimization and optimizing your website's page layout, you not only improve the overall user experience but also increase the likelihood of users staying on your site, engaging with your content, and ultimately converting. 5. Local SEO for brick and mortar businesses. Local SEO is a game changer for businesses with physical locations. It helps you connect with potential customers in your vicinity. Google My Business is your digital storefront. It's the first thing users see when searching for local businesses. We have a full guide on how to create, claim, and optimize your GMB listing. Be sure to check it out if you haven't already. The link is in the description. Incorporating local keywords in your content and meta tags is essential for local SEO. This includes phrases that have your city's name in them and phrases that have the words near me. Include local keywords in your meta titles and descriptions, particularly for location-specific pages on your website. If you're running a brick-and-mortar business, it's important to create content that's specific to your locality. Highlight local events, landmarks, and news relevant to your audience. By optimizing for local SEO, you increase your visibility to potential customers in your area, leading to more foot traffic and higher sales for your brick-and-mortar business. 6. Monitor and adapt. Last but certainly not least is monitoring and adapting your SEO strategy. SEO is not a one-and-done task. It's an ongoing journey of improvement and adaptation. Here's how you can effectively monitor and adapt your SEO strategy. Google Analytics. Use Google Analytics to track your website's performance. Pay attention to metrics like organic traffic, bounce rate, average session duration, and conversion rate. These insights help you understand what's working and what needs improvement. Keyword performance. Monitor the performance of your target keywords. Are they ranking higher? Are they driving traffic and conversions? Adjust your content strategy based on keyword performance. Google Updates. Stay informed about search engine algorithm updates, especially Google's. Google regularly makes changes that can impact your rankings. Following industry news and participating in SEO communities can help you stay ahead of the curve. Adaptation. When an algorithm update happens, you need to assess its impact on your website's performance. If necessary, adapt your SEO strategy to align with the new ranking factors. SEO is a dynamic field that evolves with technology and user behavior. By continuously monitoring your website's performance and staying informed about industry changes, you can adapt your strategy to maintain and improve your search engine rankings. Okay, so we've discussed how important SEO is and gone through 6 of the best SEO tactics available right now. The big question is, do they actually work? To answer that question, let's take a look at some real-world examples. Amazon, the e-commerce giant, is a prime example of SEO superiority. They've consistently adopted multiple SEO techniques to maintain their dominance in online retail. One of their main tactics is their focus on long-tail keywords. Instead of just targeting broad searches like electronics, they optimize for specific phrases, like best noise-canceling headphones for under $100. By doing so, they attract highly targeted traffic, improving their chances of conversions. On top of that, their commitment to high-quality content is visible in their product descriptions and customer feedback. Each product page is a treasure trove of information, helping visitors make informed purchasing decisions. This not only enhances user experience, but also improves their SEO rankings. HubSpot, the giant marketing and sales platform, owes a significant portion of its success to its content marketing strategy. They produce high-quality, insightful, and engaging content that speaks directly to their audience's pain points and needs. By addressing user intent effectively, HubSpot ensures that its content aligns with what consumers are searching for. This results in higher rankings and more organic traffic. Their blog, in particular, is a goldmine of valuable knowledge for marketers and business owners. It's not just about numbers, it's about the depth and significance of their material that sets them apart. Their constant blogging efforts have solidified their standing as a trusted authority in their industry. Are you ready to take the plunge and master SEO? If you are, welcome to the club. And if you're not, don't worry about it. You can get proven strategies from experts who have been down this path. That's where Spreadify Marketing comes in. With Spreadify Marketing, you'll finally eliminate the guesswork. We'll guide you, provide insights, and help you navigate the complexities of SEO with confidence.